What's up, guys?
Hey, how you doing?
So we're out doing some transplanting. Nino's potting up his vegetables for the season, and I'm getting my summer baskets ready. So I'm gonna flip the camera and show you what we're doing.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm lending my hand to gardening this season, and I'm in the process of planting some vegetables because, as you know, if I don't plant it unless I can eat it. So what I've done is I've emptied all my pots from last year in the bucket with all my soil. I've also mixed in here some fresh soil as well as some compost or manure. Okay, I've mixed that in, I've blended it all in, and I'm gonna re-add it to my pot. But before I do that, a little trick that I've learned, I've come up with just using a diaper. This is a small baby newborn diaper. And what this is gonna do is this is gonna absorb some of the moisture in the bottom of the planter, so it doesn't get oversaturated with water. Okay, so I just cut them in half, and I'm just going to lay them in the bottom, and I'm going to add to that some of my potting soil, and that is going to absorb some of the liquid in the bottom so we don't overwater the
well, this is so that your plants, they hold moisture so that your plants don't dry out, so you can use this in the bottom of any of your pots, really.
Well, you sure can, but in this instance, we're planting our tomatoes and peppers and
yes,
various vegetables. So we're just going to be adding some of the potting soil back into the pot, and then we're going to put our tomato plant in this case as we get them all ready. I've got all my summer vegetables all set. My tomatoes, I've got my basil, I've got some green peppers, and as well some rosemary, and I've also got some thyme and mint over here that I'm still trying to get some pots to plant. But as I said earlier, I only plant it if I can eat it. So this is my preparation, and we'll keep an eye on it together.
Hey guys, so here I am out doing my summer baskets. This year I got the baskets for the front of the porch with the coco liners in them. You can pick them up at most big box stores or garden centers. This year I found a little tip. I've added some diapers, regular baby diapers, the little ones, and I've cut around them, so all you have is the absorbent middle section. So what you do is you line the inside of your cocoa basket with the diapers, and these diapers absorb the water, and it keeps your soil moisturized for a lot longer. So you're not, your plants aren't drying out as quick, because you know with these baskets, especially in the height of summer, you have to water them practically every day, sometimes twice a day. So I have my planter all filled up with dirt. Now this is a combination of some good old nursery, big box store compost and a little bit of mix that's specially made for containers, just because it's all about the holding of the moisture, holding the moisture in. So this is nice and airy, easy for the roots to make their way through this soil. So usually when I plant up my baskets, I kind of overplant. I fill them up because you want a dramatic effect. You don't want to wait all summer for these things to start to grow and to fill out the pot. So usually I overplant. So this year I've decided on some geraniums, just some regular seed geraniums. These are the white ones. And of course you've got to have the super tunia. This is a proven winner. This one is called Raspberry Rush. I just really like the bright, vibrant color for the front. And I'm gonna put a little bit of a Vinca vine in there, and that's a bit of a trailer, a spiller as they call it. And I have some Creeping Jenny. And already this Creeping Jenny is quite long. So this is just gonna spill out of the pot and give it a dramatic effect. And for my filler, I have tried and true Lobelia. So the Lobelia, the geranium, and the Supertunia raspberry rush, I think will make a great statement. So I'm gonna plant this up and I'll come back and show you what the finished product. So there you have it, guys. I'm all done. Finished up my window boxes for the front porch. So just to recap, I got my Thriller, which is my Supertunia Raspberry Rush. I got the fillers, which is the Lobelia. I guess the geranium could be a Thriller as well. And then of course, this wonderful Creeping Jenny and the Vinca vine as my spiller. So I'm gonna go put them up and I'll show you what it looks like. And that's the finished product on the front porch. Looking fantastic. I can't wait for them to start to grow out.